Howdy, partner. Today we're talking about this garlic tea tree foot balm recipe for athlete's foot. Garlic and tea tree essential oil are powerful natural remedies for fighting athlete's foot. However, it's important to always dilute essential oils before use. What you'll need is 6 cloves of garlic, peeled, a 1/4 teaspoon plus 10 drops of tea tree essential oil, and a 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. All right, let's get started. Step 1, prepare the paste. Use a food processor or blender to crush the garlic into a paste. Transfer it to a small jar with a lid. Add the tea tree essential oil and apple cider vinegar, then mix well. Step 2, apply the balm. Use your hands or a cotton pad to spread up to 2 tablespoons of the paste on the affected areas of each foot. Put on thick socks and rest with your feet elevated for 15 to 30 minutes. Step 3, clean up. After the treatment, wash your feet thoroughly and dry them. Then apply a mixture of 10 drops of tea tree essential oil diluted in 2 tablespoons of vinegar to the affected areas. Put on clean socks afterward. Step 4, repeat. Do this treatment once a day for up to 1 week. The vinegar helps preserve the balm for several weeks if stored in a cool, dark place. Here's an important safety tip. Never use essential oils undiluted, as this can cause long-term allergic or respiratory reactions. Always dilute them properly before applying to your skin. That's it for today, folks. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing natural remedies. And hey, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts or your own tips.
Cowboy cures where life endures. Natural paths open doors. With nature's hand, we'll show you the way to live life better day by day.